This client-ready content system started with one plain English instruction. It researched the topic, prepared the content brief, updated the tracker, and stopped for approval without make N8N or code. If the technical side has stopped you from starting an AI automation agency, I'm going to show you a simpler way to begin with one service you can actually demonstrate. One instruction. Client deliverable. Approval. Most agency tutorials begin with complex workflows, triggers, and connected nodes. Make and N8N are powerful, and they can be the right choice when a client needs precise branching and technical control. But your first agency offer does not have to be complicated. Start by solving one repetitive problem, delivering one result the client understands, and requiring approval before anything goes public. You are not selling AI jargon. You are selling a useful outcome. For this demonstration, my own channel will act as the client. The input is one YouTube topic. The deliverable is research, a production brief, promotional ideas, and a tracker entry. The guardrail is that nothing schedules or publishes without client approval. This becomes a simple agency offer I call the Content Operations Starter. I have entered the following message into the Success Coach chat box, which you can find a link in the description section. Notice what I'm not doing. Mapping APIs or connecting individual nodes. I'm defining the job the way I would define it for an assistant. SureThing now breaks the request into steps, research the topic, select the strongest angle, prepare the assets, add the result to the Content Command Center, and wait. This is more useful than receiving a block of text. I still have to move manually. The finished work lands where the agency and client can review it. If the system asks a clarifying question, that is a good thing. It should ask instead of guessing. The deliverable is now in the tracker, with the status awaiting client approval. Before the client sees it, I check four things. Does the promise match the content? Are the claims supported? Is the title clear? And does the thumbnail create curiosity without being misleading? If something is wrong, I request a revision. For this example, I'll update the title while keeping the approval status unchanged.
This world is so cold and deceiving, filled with lies and disguises and cheating. I got just the right sugar to sweeten, turn it all to the Garden of Eden. I can make the gray turn gold, I can make the sun come out.
Once the work is ready, I record the approval and move it to approved for production, not published. That separation matters. You can require approval for the brief, final content, and publication. Automation handles the repetitive handoffs, while the agency checks quality and the client keeps control.
Whenever you want me, I'm here for you. I make a brand new checks. All of them flaws, baby, worse than yours. Let's manage up.
To sell this, do not lead with SureThing, prompts, or the technology. Lead with the result. Your offer could be every week, the client provides one topic or business priority. Your system returns researched ideas, one production brief, promotional assets, and an organized approval queue. The offer formula is one painful problem, one repeatable deliverable, one approval process, and one recurring schedule. Run the service on your own business first. Document what good output looks like. Then offer one client a limited pilot. This approach is not right for every job. Make or N8N may be better for strict branching, high-volume processes, exact data transformations, or custom error handling. Never begin with unsupervised access to money, legal claims, customer messages, or record deletion. Start with work that is easy to review, content preparation, lead research with unsent outreach drafts, or weekly performance reports. That is a practical AI automation agency for beginners. Solve one client problem, deliver one repeatable result, and keep approval in human hands. Comment below with the first service you would offer. Subscribe to 50K Legends for more step-by-step automation systems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Just